Hey there, welcome back to Let's Invest. Today we are diving into a topic that's both exciting and important: how to secure your fortunes and safeguard your sudden wealth. Whether you have won the lottery, inherited a substantial amount, or experienced a sudden financial windfall, these 15 essential tips will help you make the most of your newfound wealth while ensuring a secure financial future. So, let's get started. First things first, consult with financial advisors, accountants, and attorneys who specialize in managing substantial wealth. They will help you create a customized financial plan that aligns with your goals and maximizes tax implications. Establish clear short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's investments, philanthropy, or travel, having a roadmap will guide your decisions and keep you focused. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Always maintain an emergency fund equal to at least 6 months of your expenses. This cushion ensures that you are prepared for unexpected challenges. Sudden wealth can lead to impulsive spending. Take your time before making big purchases and consider their long-term impact on your financial stability. Knowledge is power. Invest time in educating yourself about finance and wealth management. The more you understand, the better decisions you will make. Create or update your estate plan. This ensures your wealth is distributed according to your wishes and minimizes potential conflicts. Protect your personal and financial information with robust cybersecurity measures to prevent identity theft and hacking. Giving back to the community can be incredibly fulfilling. Consider setting up a charitable foundation or supporting causes you are passionate about. Be cautious of lifestyle inflation. While treating yourself is fine, avoid increasing your expenses dramatically, as it can quickly deplete your wealth. Sudden wealth can strain relationships. Open communication with loved ones about financial matters is crucial to avoid misunderstandings. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as circumstances change. Flexibility is the key to long-term success. Explore legal strategies to shield your assets from potential creditors and lawsuits. Asset protection can help safeguard your wealth. Stay true to your values and interests. Engaging in hobbies and activities you love can keep you grounded amidst your newfound wealth. Remember, it's okay to enjoy your wealth. Balance is key. Allocate some funds for experiences that bring joy and fulfillment. And there you have it, 15 essential tips for safeguarding sudden wealth. From smart financial planning to protecting your assets, these strategies will help you navigate this exciting new chapter in your life. Remember, securing your fortunes is about finding the right balance between growth, protection, and enjoyment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay financially empowered.